Hello, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show how to find out the even numbers in a given range, and after finding even numbers, how to make square root of that even numbers using raptor tool. We'll find out. Now, for finding even numbers, how we are going to find even numbers? A number which is divisible by exactly divisible by 2 is will called as even number. So we have to find out a numbers within a given range. For that, for finding the even numbers in a given range, we have to read n. So for that, I'm using n as range variable, right? So for finding even numbers within a given range, for that we have to use looping variable called I. So I set I to 1. After that, take one loop, right? So we have to check when it comes to condition checking. So if the condition true, it will comes out of that. So if that condition is not true, it will keep on iterating in that row, in that loop. So that why the looping exit condition for my problem is if I is greater than or n. So when that I reaches n, so we have to exit the condition. So that's why I wrote I greater than n. After that, it will prompt for uh, workspace save. So that's why I kept as even number in a particular destination. So after within the iteration, so we have to check that that particular number is divisible by 2 or not. If so, we have to assume that that given number is even number. So we have to prompt as that I is even number. So to concatenate, we have to use plus symbol. So if that is even number, what we have to do? We have to print square root of that even number. So to find out square root of number, we have to use inbuilt function called Sqrt. So which is available in mathematical help functions. So Sqrt of I. So to make it uh, exact format, like even number I square root is, so we have to print like this, right? After that, we have to start executing step by step. So you have to go for next range. You have to supply the even numbers within a within range 10, right? So next step, so that looping counter is true, but yeah, it is checking, it is keep on checking that it is even number. But thing is that there is a problem with looping variable, so there is no iterating value of I over here. So for that, we have to use one more symbol, one more assignment symbol for incrementing. Right now it will work fine. So we have to supply I n. I is 1, so 10 is 1 is greater than 10, so we'll increment. So now with 2 is 2% of 2 is even number, it will print, right? So it will keep on executing when it reaches as even number, and will exist if I is greater than 10. Now go for output. So 2 is even number is 2, square root is 1.45. Like that, we have to find out any value using raptor tool. Thank you.